Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how Coinbase Wallet works. Alright, let's begin. To get started, download the Coinbase Wallet app from the Apple or Google Play Store. Be sure to install the correct app, the Coinbase Wallet for NFT and crypto, not the Coinbase Exchange app. Once the app is installed, open it and select Create Wallet. Next, create a 6-digit passcode. This passcode is essential for accessing your wallet and managing your crypto assets. Afterward, you will have the option to claim a unique username. This username can be used within the Coinbase network, allowing others to send transactions and assets to you by simply entering your username. Before exploring your wallet features, it's crucial to back up your wallet. Go to Settings, then Security, and select Backup. You will be prompted to enter your passcode and reveal your 12-word recovery phrase. Be sure to do this in a private area and do not store it in the cloud. Write the words down in a safe place, maintaining the order. With your wallet backed up, you can now receive coins. To do so, go to Assets and click Receive. Select the cryptocurrency you want to receive and copy your address or show the QR code to the sender. Once the transaction is confirmed, the funds will appear in your wallet. So that's basically how you can use Coinbase Wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.